Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay, here is the brand new stamp set called Life in Full Bloom. Let's just walk through it. Also, the stamp set has a coordinating die set. Look at that. Look at all those really beautiful dies. I love how they come packaged up and ready for you. Super, super fun. Love the dies. And there's also a stencil option that you can get that goes with this stamp set that's not only a coloring stencil, but I also have this bonus seed packet element on the stencil. Let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at the stamp set. So I'm going to walk through all of the elements in the stamp set. So I have these two large flower blooms that are zinnia-like, but remember, as with all of my flower blooms in my collection, you can change up the look and feel and color and just have fun with it. But this stamp set's a little bit different because I've got some of the detail, the layers and the folds of the petals provided. So we've got the details in the layers and some of the elements to pull out of your bloom, including the centers. There's a little bit of leafery provided. You've got an open lined leaf that you can color in or watercolor in your favorite medium, or use the stencil to color it in. And then a really graphic piece of leafery here. I'm going to show you in the samples how I'm using that. Here is this really fun, whimsical kind of urn that you can almost picture in your garden that just has this really, really beautiful kind of look and feel to it that we're just going to add those beautiful blooms to. Okay, and here are the three sentiments that are part of the stamp set. Beauty and strength come from within. I love that. It's very inspiring. Hope today is a good day. Really simple, clean, and a great way to share a bit of positivity with someone and live life in full bloom. Okay, let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration. I have quite a few things to share with you today. Okay, here is that beautiful urn, and I wanted to share with you that you can use that urn in two ways because there is a coordinating die with it. I just used the stencil and stenciled in that element with slate and then die cut it out. So we don't have the line work in the stamp, just a really fun way to use it. And then we've got these really big, beautiful blooms, the zinnia blooms colored in with the coloring stencil, same thing with the leafery pieces. I also did the same technique with the leafery. You've got your two options. You've got your stamp in the stamp set. You've got for the piece of leafery that's open line, but I also have the stencil element as well. So you can stencil color that in and cut that out with the die or use the stamp. So it just makes it kind of fun where you can get some line work or just color work, depending upon what you want to do. Love this card. Okay, super, super fun. I really, really like the colors of the garden right now, which are some beautiful golds and yellows. And this was just kind of inspired by that. Live life in full bloom. Got that die cut element. And here are those fun, whimsical pieces of leafery. You can see that all of my cards, I'm kind of obsessed with the pastel dots, the new sequins that Gina K has. I've been using them for the last two releases and I just love them because they add a really nice touch of whimsy to your card. Okay. Now this card, I'm using that bonus element that comes in the stencil where you have the seed packet, the top of the seed packet and the bottom of the seed packet. And you can kind of create that shape of the seed packet and put your beautiful blooms on top of it and your beautiful sentiment and just create a really fun card with it. Okay, this card is super fun. This kind of this is a pattern work card using the elements in the stamp set that are the detail elements that go inside the blooms as kind of the main image. And then in our background here, I've got one of the other blooms in its full shape and just kind of creating this cascade, really graphic look and feel. Kind of digging it. Love it. Okay. I don't know. This card might be my favorite. I kind of go back and forth between this card and this card as being my favorite. But I did the urn. I stamped the urn in some beautiful spruce and then went ahead in with the coloring stencil and did the coloring stencil work and then added my 2 blooms here, got a little bit of whimsy going. Okay, friends, you know that every release I have to have a really fun watercolor card, a washi watercolor card, and this one is that card. So I just stamped out that beautiful zinnia that works really well by itself without the detail and just kind of plunked in a little bit of watercolor, put my stamp, put my sentiment on there, got those pastel dots, just creating a little bit of whimsy, super simple, clean, and fun card. Okay, loving this card too. Got that really fun backgrounder using that seed packets element from the stencil, adding my beautiful blooms, and just kind of using the stamp set with the stencil and also using the stencil as just a coloring element and using the dies to die cut that out. Okay, really, really love this card too. Again, this is that really fun pattern, changing up some of the colors, using the coloring stencil in the background to kind of create these little clouds of blooms and then layering my stamped images over top to create a really fun card. Okay, I just had to. I wanted to share that the stencil element from the coordinating stencil fits really, really well right inside the Gina K tag. I love this tag. It's a really fun oversized tag. You'll see Gina use this tag a lot. I know that Debbie uses this tag. I just think it's super, super fun. If you were going to put it on the front of a card, you can see how nicely that would look. But I just love the idea of creating this little tag with beauty and strength come from within. Imagine attaching that to a little package for a friend who may be going through a hard time and you just want to provide a little bit of joy. So that would be just kind of super fun. But I just wanted to share how that stencil element, that coloring stencil for the seed packet, goes edge to edge in this tag right within the stitched line work. How fun is that? Okay, friends, as with all of my stamp sets in my collection, I have a brand new card idea sheet for Life in Full Bloom. There are 8 card ideas, and in that same PDF, you are going to get the coordinating stencil guide that shows you the stamp, the stencil, and the combination for each of the elements that are in the stamp and the stencil. So this is a 4-page PDF that will show you all of those elements, the stamp, the stencil, and the combination, along with that standalone seed packet. Okay, friends, let's take another look at the stamp set. This is Life in Full Bloom with the coordinating die. Life in Full Bloom is available now at GinaKDesigns.com in the What's New section. You can purchase the stamp set and the die set as a bundle, and you can also, there's a limited quantity where you can purchase the stamp set alone. And don't forget, if you're interested, there is a coordinating coloring stencil available for this set. Okay, let's take a look at all of the inspiration for Life in Full Bloom. I'm super excited about this stamp set and all of the opportunities that you have to create some beautiful card projects and paper crafting projects. Friends, I will be going live this Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern with a brand new card tutorial using this stamp set and some other fun techniques that I want to share.
Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here. Thanks so much. Bye.